Monkey has one tree. Tree gives banana. But tree gets sick. No banana for monkey. Monkey sad. Monkey buys new tree. Tree grow slow. Banana come late. Monkey wait. Monkey still sad. Monkey thinks, what if monkey buy many trees? Not one tree, not two tree, but many trees. Some trees go bad. Some trees grow fast. But monkey always get banana. Not too much. Not too little. Just enough banana. Monkey happy. This is index fund. Basket of many trees. Basket full of strong trees. Basket grow slow. But basket steady. Basket not gamble. Basket not panic. Why do monkeys use index fund? Monkey not guess. Monkey not chase. Monkey not scream at red chart. Monkey nap. Monkey sip coconut. Banana come. Life is good. Some monkeys buy one tree. Some monkeys guess next hot tree. Smart monkey plant basket. Basket strong, basket stable. Basket don't care about noise. Basket don't care about news. Basket just grow. One banana at a time. When should monkey invest? Monkey doesn't time jungle. Monkey just stay in jungle. Because jungle always grow. Sometimes fast, sometimes slow, but always grow. Where do monkeys get index fund? Monkey tell monkey friends. Monkey friend buys basket. Jungle grow more. Banana come more. Everyone happy. Who should invest? No magic trick. No secret tree. Just basket. Just time. Just patience. One tree risky. Basket safer. Monkey like safe. Monkey sleep better. Smart monkey invests. Dumb monkey guesses. You monkey. You choose. How does it work? Monkey buy basket. Monkey sit. Monkey wait. Banana come slowly, but surely. Monkey rich. Final message. Buy basket. Hold basket. Become banana billionaire slowly.